Yeah, do you have issues discovering your YouTube URL? I'm going to show you the basic steps right now. Just go with me. You open your browser this way, then you can actually type YouTube website. Initially, it might ask you to sign on. If you don't have a YouTube account or you've not signed on there before, you can actually sign on and go to this. If you can see where my cursor is, you click on your profile. Then you say view channel, and it's taking you. This is my own channel, and you go to the top of this page here where you have the URL here over here. Then all you have to do is to right click it and then copy it. That is your URL. So with this now, you can share it. Let's see. Let's share it. Let's open it on another page. Let's paste this our URL and copy. Let's see, maybe to give us what you can see it actually took us to that page. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Now, the second step in finding our YouTube URL so that we can share with our audience is to go to our YouTube studio. How do we get to our YouTube studio? You can go from here. You can go from here, still from the same. You click on your profile this way. Then you come down. You can see here, YouTube studio. You click on it. Then this we are now in our YouTube studio. Then we just scroll down. We scroll down to customization. Customization. We click on it. Now we have this page. Then we click on basic info. Under basic info, we just scroll down and scroll down. See here, we have our YouTube URL here again. So here, this is it. You can copy it this way, or you can copy it this way. Right click and you can say copy. Now this is copied. Then let's see. We open a new page. Let's try and paste it there, and we enter. And now, boom. So with this URL, we can share it with we can share it in any of our social media in order to promote our channel. All right. Thank you guys. Kindly subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.